Okay, so I'm super frustrated because I had this all working with my group, and I don't know what happened between then and now, but it doesn't seem like anything's working. So I'm not happy about that. But I'll show you what I do have, even though it is not much. Um, so yeah, just sign in. Okay, so I do have this, and everything is going well here. And somehow I did get it. You can see it's been changed, so I got that working at some point. See, it's saying it has failed. Okay. I'm just gonna try to do a different password. Yeah, and that doesn't seem to be working either. And I had this all working. It's making me so frustrated. Anyways, that's not working. But, oops, remake. Shoot. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, so I have this not showing up when someone who is not an admin is logged in. So that's about all I have right now that's working, even though I had it working before. So if you have any input on what could have been wrong, that would be great. So yeah, and then I'll just look at this. And I'm sorry this video is so long. Just having some struggles this week apparently, and I don't know. I think this is from the PHP code that came up and I just don't know how to fix it. So, yep. This week's been fun. Anyways, I think that's all I have to show you. Thanks for watching.